So we've got this 2007 Grande Punto from Fiat, and the near side front headlight is going a bit foggy. So we tried a temporary fix with bicarb lemon juice. It worked for about 2 or 3 weeks and it's back to how it used to be. So we saw Turtle Wax had a headlight lens kit which repairs and renews heals and seals, so we thought we'd give it a try. So first of all, it says we need to get the headlight lens repair and renew. We need to apply it to a small cotton cloth. In this case we're going to use a little microfiber applicator. I presume that'll be enough. And it says we want to apply back and forth 30 seconds and then buff with a dry clean cloth. So let's give that a try. That must have been about 30 seconds now. Clean dry microfiber cloth. Right, so the next stage is sanding step. Use tap water to wet the headlight and the sanding pad, which is this one that you get in the kit. It says on one side 1, which is the green one. The ready coloured, maroon coloured side, it says, you can see that? It says 2. Use tap water to wet the headlight and sanding pad using finger pressure on the green pad, number 1, and rub side to side over dull area for about 30 seconds, keeping panels and surface wet with water. Right, so I'll go and get some water. Alright, so I'm back with some water, tap water. Use tap water to wet the headlight and the sanding pad. So let's wet the headlight. The sanding pad. Using pressure, rub side to side over the damaged area for about 30 seconds, keeping the pad and surface wet. Definitely see some of the milkiness coming off. Been longer than 30 seconds just to make sure I've got it all covered. Going back to the instructions. So it doesn't say rinse, but it just says flip the pad over to side 2. So flip the pad over to side 2. Wet that pad, and now we're on side 2. Can't be this easy, surely. I've seen people wet sanding and machine polishes and all sorts of stuff like that. It can't be this easy to do. Right, surely that's been 30 seconds now. Now what does it say? And undamaged. Wipe lens with a dry cotton cloth. So it doesn't say rinse, it just says wipe it with a cotton cloth. What we had before. And it looks like it's done nothing whatsoever. The lens repair and renew compound for 30 seconds over the entire lens with no pressure on the sanded areas. Right, try that again. wipe dry, repeat to achieve maximum lens clarity. So wipe dry. I think I have to go over with the wet sand thing again. So number one. Definitely less milkiness coming off this time. Flip the pad. That's number two. I think I paid about £7 for this delivered. We had a 20% off coupon that I found for Turtle Wax. That's Turtle Wax Direct, the UK site. Not seeing much improvement, to be honest. Another try. It says repeat as necessary. I wonder how many times you're going to have to repeat it. And on this stage, if I don't wipe it off with the cloth and just go straight into the sanding with the wet side of the pad, number one, let's have a quick try that. Well, the theory is good, nice easy steps to do, but in reality it's not that effective, to be honest. See, the white pad's getting, sorry, the green pad's getting quite worn now, so there's not going to be much chance. We're definitely not going to be able to do the other side. Well, it was only £7, so can't really grumble. In my opinion, that hasn't done much at all. Thanks Turtle Wax, not this time though.